Our tour today takes us to 4800 Calatrava in beautiful Sutton Lake. This 2-bedroom 2-bath 1,836 square foot half-duplex with a 20 by 12 single-car garage is on the 15th hole of the award-winning Deer Run golf course. Let's begin our tour. As you enter, you will be struck by the open concept design of this home. The 16 by 18 living room has vaulted ceilings which enhance the spacious open feeling of this L-shaped room. Just off the living room is the 11 by 10 dining room, perfect for those special dinners. The kitchen is 10 by 8 with a California ceiling and lots of counter space. There is plenty of storage and a large pass-through to the family room, so you're part of the action as you are in the kitchen. The family room is a massive 16 by 21 which makes it perfect for entertaining. Sliding doors to the lanai gives you that wonderful Florida lifestyle. The family room has a wonderful view of the golf course, and is bright and sunny with a large window and sliding doors. One entire wall has a built-in bookcase. The master bedroom is a comfortable 12 by 14 and will easily fit a king bed. The master ensuite bath has a tiled walk-in shower and lots of storage. Your guests will enjoy the bright and sunny guest bedroom. The guest bath is stunning in black tile with a tub shower combination and sliding glass shower doors. Just off the family room is a special area that can be used as an office, a study or a sewing room. The screened-in lanai is the perfect spot to watch the golfers go by, have a casual meal or your morning coffee. Right outside your back door is the beautiful 15th hole of the Deer Run golf course. Don't forget, first-time buyers to Sutton Lake are eligible to receive a free golf membership. Some restrictions apply. That will conclude our tour of 4800 Calatrava in Sutton Lake. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Please contact us for your personal tour. Thank you and goodbye.